Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Blaupunkt EM10 Wired Earphones. Here is the retail sales package of Blaupunkt EM10 Wired Earphones. On the box you can see the hologram, original Blaupunkt. At the bottom of the box you can see the features of this headset such as 45 degrees in-ear design, HD bass, inline mic, multifunction button and comfortable fit. On the back side of the box, if you can see properly, you can see the MRP 1299. But you can get this headset from Amazon under 700. I will give the link of this product in the description box. Please check that. Without wasting any time, let's open the headset from the box. Here are the headphones. With the headphones, you will get extra pair of earbuds of different sizes for comfortable fit in your ears. In total you will get 3 pairs of earbuds, and inside you will get a booklet. Inside the booklet you can see the technical specification of the headset. Let's untie the earphones. On the headset you can see the Blaupunkt branding everywhere, and the design of the earphones looks like this. You can see the 45 degrees angle, and on the earphones left and right is mentioned. And here is a multifunctional button which works as a mic, and as well as there is a button to answer the calls, and also you can play or pause the music. Now coming to the quality of the earphones, the quality is too good for the price we are paying. So if you are looking to buy a headset with mic under 700, without second thoughts go and buy these headphones. It has got some really good reviews on Amazon. I will give the link, you can check the reviews. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.